Today's episode is being sponsored by Videsi's West Indian Supermarket. So thank you, Miss Tita Videsi, for sponsoring this episode.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all my recipe for a easy delicious sago porridge. So we're going to start by placing some tapioca pearls into our pot and covering it with enough water to soak. We're going to allow this to soak for 15 minutes, after which we'll wash it out, discard that water, add some more water and place it onto your stove on a medium heat. Next, go in with 1 cinnamon stick and some ghee. We want to bring this up to a simmer and allow those pearls to soften. Once the pearls are nice and soft, we're going to go in with some heavy cream. I like using heavy cream for that luxuriousness. Some evaporated milk, and I'm sweetening with some condensed milk. You can use sugar if you like, or you can omit it totally. Next, I'm going to go in with some ginger, which is optional, and I'm going to allow this to cook for 5 more minutes. Now you want the consistency to be a little bit runny because as it cools, it will thicken. So allow it to cook for that 5 minutes. That ginger and all of those flavors will infuse, and now it's ready to be served. And that's it. That's as easy as is to make sago porridge. So I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Please make it and let me know down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.